How to enable dark mode on iPhone. Hello and welcome back to Wake&Tech. Dark mode is a great way to make your screen easier on your eyes, especially at night. And it can also help save a bit of a battery. So first of all, in order to enable dark mode, launch open the Settings app from your home screen. Now, once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. You'll be able to see light and dark option under Appearance at the top. Tap on Dark. Right after you do that, the iPhone will automatically switch to dark mode. If you want your iPhone to switch between dark and light mode automatically, toggle on the button right next to Automatic. Right next to Options, tap on it and you can choose Sunset to Sunrise or Custom Schedule. This way your phone adjusts based on the time of the day. Dark mode also changes supported apps like Messages, Settings, Safari, etc. You can always switch back to the light mode whenever you prefer by coming to the same interface and choosing light. So there you have it. So that is how you can easily enable dark mode on iPhone, quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.